How to repost someone else's story on Instagram. So if you want to repost someone else's story on Instagram, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application. Now there are two ways in which you can add someone's story. So for example, if you want to add a person's story, then first open their story, go with share, which is on the bottom right, and after that go with copy link. After copying the link, you can go back, tap on your story, select any background, and then go with stickers, which is on the top right. After that, tap on link and then paste the link right here and tap on done. And you can just simply go with the text and add some text. In this way you can repost, or the other way is to ask the other person to add yourself or to mention you in their story. If they have mentioned you, then you will have an option to add to your story. So you need to go with your messages, and here if you have mentioned you in their story, you just need simply tap and open that, and on the bottom you will have add to your story option. You just need simply tap on add to your story and it will be added to your story. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.